Real estate motivated. Reggie here. We are here at the duplex. Been a really busy week, especially on the Kimmel property side. A lot of development coming out in South Baton Rouge. Yeah, man, a whole lot of things. This duplex is really just a small fraction of what's being done out here. Yeah, so if it's your first time, second time, look, subscribe if you are subscribed. First off, let me give a shout out to my guy, Phil Coleman, who's always showing me love, man. I definitely appreciate it, man. Definitely keeps me motivated to keep going. So, that being said, I had a busy week. I got my young guys, Jackson and Sumo, about to give them a tour. If you haven't been in tune with this series, everybody give you a tour. What's been done this week and what's going on and where we are. Starting paint on the other side, starting drywall on this side after we passed inspection this morning. Yeah, man, so look, stay in tune. Look, check this out. Check this out from my young guys. Let's get it. I got my dog Jackson. I got my dog Sumo. Man, look. I wouldn't even call them interns. I call them like mini geniuses. They are out here giving me the game of what I should do. You know what I mean? With the latest on the house. Go ahead, man. Look, y'all on Real Estate Motivated. Go ahead, man.
So just
wait. You gotta introduce yourself, Jackson.
Oh, my name is Jackson. So
okay.
I work with Reggie under his wing. He took me, teaches me a lot, actually. But right now I'm trying to spit a little bit of game to him.
Hustler, one of the hustlers of the year. Okay.
So I was thinking, just for the looks, the aesthetics of the house on the outside, something that will get the appraisal value going up. Just by the looks. A lot of people don't like this empty space underneath. So we was thinking about maybe putting some covering. White, it'll look good with the house, and it's not.
Exactly, and that's good for safety too. You know, if we got somebody over here, like a single woman by herself, somebody can't hide underneath there. I like the way you think.
Any stray animals?
Whoa, brother! You gotta introduce yourself now.
Oh, my bad. I'm Sumo. Another one, Reggie.
You've already been on here before, though.
Yeah, I have a couple episodes back.
Yeah.
Check me out. But you know, like I was saying, it prevents any stray animals, cat, dogs, neighborhood strays from going under your house and potentially starting, you know what I'm saying, families under there. We don't really want that.
Come on, talk about it. Talk about it.
So,
all right, man. So give us a quick update, man. What's been going on over here, bro?
Depending on the budget, we gonna see whether or not we can put coverings right here, panels plus landscaping. If not, we might just have to go with the landscape and put it in the middle of each pillar right here.
Yeah.
So it covers the empty space. You won't really be able to even tell there's an underneath to the house.
Yeah, exactly. All right, give us a quick update walkthrough of my side when we be living at. Oh wait, Sumo, what's the name of your channel?
Oh, look me up on YouTube. My name is Nalone Sumo. I am starting a series called The Real Estate Reality. So check me out.
Hey, what about you, Jackson? What's up? Like, what's going on, huh?
My channel will be coming up soon here in the next couple months.
What's up, man?
Working on behind the scenes, having some technical difficulties.
I got you. No. And also, you got, you know what I'm saying? Look, Jackson's like, well, both of them really like hustlers, you know what I'm saying? They got hustle for every bump on your face, you know what I mean? Got, you know, Sumo got his clothing line, among other things. Jackson about to get a box truck on the road. I mean, look, man, we about to be rolling, right? All right.
So don't forget about the real estate wholesaling.
Ooh.
Up next.
All right, come on, let's get it, man. Let's give us a tour.
So this side right here, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. The side that Reggie gonna be living in. Real estate motivated. Right now, we got a bunch of construction music because it's really behind the scenes.
Yeah.
Got the music, got the noises, and just try to ignore that best you can. Right here, we got the living room. You walk in, we're gonna put on this side. It's gonna be the really big standout of the whole living room.
No, don't give it to him. Don't give it to him yet. Don't give it to him yet. Don't give it to him
We're
yet.
gonna have to wait on that. All right, you got your pantry, quick access, and also access is separated for the living room and the kitchen. And the kitchen right here is gonna be a L shape. Beautiful big kitchen, open space, nice backsplash, whatnot.
All right, Sumo, come on, jump in that thing. Come on, now.
Oh yeah, like you said, the L-shaped kitchen with granite
Quartz. We're doing quartz on this side, granite on the other side.
There you go. It's really just gonna bring the whole look together with the off-white walls. It's gonna bring it together. Follow me as we go down. You know what I'm saying? You'll be towels gonna be up in here. Big nice bathtub with the towels going all the way up. Easily accessible washer and dryer. You got.
What kind of door we going
A barn door?
with? Yep.
So we got a barn door on the washer and dryer. Right here we have 2 bedrooms, but one can be easily used as an office space with a quick exit door. And behind me we have the master bedroom.
Yep, but we don't say that no more. We say primary.
Oh, primary bedroom. with the
most exquisite bathroom you'll see. Any duplex.
Any duplex. So why is the bathroom so exquisite?
So right here in the corner, unlike most bathrooms, this one sets itself apart by having a tri-folding mirror right here, big vanity right here.
We about to blow the budget, huh?
So you got, ain't worried about the budget in the bathroom. It's gonna look nice, it's gonna look great. You got a big giant bathtub right here. You know,
Tiles going all the way up. Handheld shower.
Now when you say that, because I chose to do the tile all the way up because we're doing like the tile, subway tile is like 5 to 10 cents a piece. So when it's cheap like that, you can splurge to go all the way up. But if it's like $1.50 or something like that a piece, you stop at where the shower head stop. You know what I mean?
Okay. Yeah, sure.
I ain't want to mislead y'all. You know what I'm saying?
Here you go with the knowledge. He good for it. He good for it.
Hey, bro.
always fitting, man.
Hey. All right, so come on. What's next? So we got the finished up in the bathroom. We got the closet.
Closet right here. Primary closet. But that's pretty much it for the inside of the house. Now let's take a look at the exterior of it.
Oh, that's bad. Say less.
The exterior of the house, beautiful white finish on the house. With the, let me go ahead and close this door so you can see.
Tell them about the door.
Hey, what color it is, man?
Hey, you got
Look at my girl.
This undescribably beautiful navy blue to complement the white.
Ooh.
you know, got a navy blue door with a white house.
Ooh.
You like Barack, but
Ooh.
hey.
Ooh. Ooh.
But you got plenty enough space to do whatever you want back here, whether it be put up a unit, put a little swing set for your kids.
What you think I should do up here over here, bro?
I'm thinking about a mini house or basketball court. You know what I'm saying? If you're looking at longevity for the family, a nice little basketball court, you can never go wrong with that. But if you're trying to make money, I'll put up a new construction. You know what I'm saying? 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, living room, something small, something cheap, and something efficient that's gonna last long.
I like the way you think.
Like I said, before there was exit doors on the back, we took them off because we don't really want too many exits. We're just gonna keep it simple, keep it smart.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's pretty much.
I'm gonna have to edit that out. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to with your address? Nah, you good though. You good. All right, man. So any final words from y'all too? You know what I'm saying?
Final words. A lot of stuff we said, you might not believe it, but you'll believe it when you see it. It's definitely gonna look extremely good. Finished product gonna be top notch.
And if you're watching this and you know the person that owns the lot next to them, tell them to call me back.
Let us know.
Hey.
I'm trying to get some money.
What's the name of your wholesaling company? Y'all got one yet?
Yeah, we're working on the LLC right now.
Okay.
So we can start getting titles and stuff, put the contracts put under the LLC instead of just one person.
Yeah,
right.
Definitely.
Business.
Everybody eating, huh?
Yeah, everybody eat.
So where can they find you at, Sumo?
Find me on Instagram at Sumo1K. YouTube at the Lone Sumo, the Nalone Sumo. You know what I'm saying?
My Instagram, jshaw.18. That's really all I use.
Hey. For now, he's about to get his YouTube popping. Sumo just got his popping.
But make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to Real Estate Motivated.
Come on.
You know what I'm saying? He's been dropping consistent real estate footage, consistent real estate knowledge. He's always giving it to y'all. Keep grinding. Keep supporting.
Hey, look, this ain't gonna be like a video in another video. This is y'all got your own video, bro. Like I'm about to like straight upload it. I'm gonna send it to y'all for y'all approval, of course.
Sure.
You know what I'm saying? But look, hey, all right, man.
Appreciate that.
Any last motivational words or what?
I got some real quick. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you never stop going. You know what I'm saying? Don't confuse movement with progress. Make sure you're always moving forward. That's all I got to say.
Something I can apply to myself. I just recently moved out here from Dallas. It's a big transition in life. I grew up, in the suburbs in Dallas. Nicer neighborhood, and obviously where we are now, it's not so much of what I'm used to.
Yeah.
So for me, the biggest motivation I got is to get comfortable in the most uncomfortable situation.
And taking that risk, right?
Taking that risk, that big leap to where you really need to be. But take that big leap in small little steps. You don't want to be rushing up here.
Boy, y'all killing it, boy. Man, look, bro. That's my dogs, bro. Look, they next up, bro. They learning everything. You know what I mean? They're legacy, grinding every day, putting in work, man. Look, they got the info. like, subscribe to the video, follow on. We out.